I told Aaron I wanted to take it back for a minute and sing some of those songs we grew up listening to around Christmas. I remember back in my dad's church, this one used to be one of my favorites. Come on, Fire.
All right, the intro is basically a very long run, so I'm gonna play the notes, give you the notes now, then I'll play it. So I'm gonna go over this kind of quickly. So we're starting on the E flat. You can slide E flat, and then, which is chromatic from B flat, A flat, E flat, and then F sharp G, and then E flat, D flat, E flat, F, A flat, and then F sharp G again. Back down, E flat, D flat, and then B flat. Then we're gonna do a slide from F sharp or G flat rather to A flat. Slide from G flat to A flat, G flat, E flat, and then E flat, D flat, D. And then the second half, coming up to our D flat to C, B flat, A flat, slight pause, and then G flat, G again, and then right into E flat, D flat, E flat, F, A flat, F, G flat, slide up to G, and then E flat, B flat, A flat, G flat. We're gonna hammer on that A flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, G flat, E flat, B flat. So one time through in context. In the second half. To the verse.